Welcome to Module 5, the last module in our series. In this module, we will be discussing evidence of rehabilitation. In the previous module, we discussed how jobs and licensing agencies may initially hesitate to hire you due to concerns flagged when viewing your conviction history. Under New York State and New York City law, employers and licensing agencies must consider any positive documents you present to them during their Article 23A analysis. We hope that this module encourages you to start collecting these documents now to ensure you are prepared when prospective employers or agencies ask for it. You should consider collecting documents that demonstrate positive change. Certificates are a great way to show that your rehabilitative efforts have been taken seriously and acknowledged by New York State. However, certificates are not the only positive document you can provide. Here's a brief list of other evidence of rehabilitation. One of the most important positive documents you can provide is a personal statement. A personal statement creates an opportunity to tell your story and showcase your personal growth. We strongly encourage you to include this along with all your other evidence of rehabilitation when you're ready to submit. If you need any assistance drafting a personal statement or just want help editing it, please do call our office to connect with a paralegal. If you need further assistance identifying other evidence of rehabilitation, contact Legal Action Center and we can help you to brainstorm ideas, get letters of recommendation, and review all your documents before you submit them to a potential employer or licensing agency. We have several resources on our website. Visit www.lac.org to view the following pamphlets. Thank you for attending Legal Action Center's virtual rap sheet workshop. We hope you benefited from the information covered in the module series. Please share your thoughts with us and call us if you need any further assistance, and please stay safe.